Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In one of the recent Playwright version, which is 1.59, Playwright released a new API which is Screencast API. Now this is something really interesting through which you can create the automation demos and you can do a lot of stuff. It's basically you don't need a separate editor. You can use this API and you can record a video. So in this video, I will show you how can you use this particular feature step by step. So let's begin. In the version 1.59, Playwright launched a Screencast API. Now this API provides a unified interface for capturing the page content with the screencast recordings, action annotations, visual overlays, real-time frame capture, agentic video scripts. Now the good part here is that you can start this thing using page.screencast.start and you need to tell the path where you need to save this video. Then you can stop this particular screencast. So you can define start and end point. Now action annotation. So you can enable built-in visual annotations that highlight interactive elements and display the titles during the recording. So you can see that interactions, you'll see this example over here. You see steps, highlights, you can see this all stuff. So you can do this, right? And also you can use screencast.show actions which accepts position, so top left, top right, bottom left, wherever you want these annotations. Now there is also a concept of chapters. So basically you can use screencast.show underscore chapter, title of the chapter, and then description, duration. So basically it will be like a pop-up like this way, or the box, you will see box here, and it will give you a title description that your chapter starts. Similarly, you can have more and more features over here, like you can go with multiple chapters, right? So you can, if you go here, so basically screenshot, start, stop, show actions, hide actions, show chapters, show overlays. So these all options are available when you are using this particular API. Now let me show you a practical demonstration how you can use this one. For this particular demo, I will be using this OrangeHRM particular website. Now let's go to the PyCharm over here, and simply what I need to do is that let's create new Python file. Let me name it as test underscore screencast. And the first thing is that we need this import line, right? So copy this one, paste it over here. Now let's create our test function. So f test underscore screencast, and then page colon page colon. And now first thing is that we can also set the viewport, because by default when we execute the Playwright script there's a smaller window, but you can change the size using the viewport. So let's do this thing first, like page dot set viewport size, and here basically we need to provide the viewport in terms of width and height. So width column, for example, I'm using 920, comma, then we have height, and the height is basically 1080. So we have just set the viewport for this particular page, and now because this is the size of my screen, and if you don't want to set it, that's okay, it's absolutely fine. But just to show you a bigger screen on my full size screen, so that's why I'm setting the viewport. And now I will do some timeouts. Page dot wait for timeout, and let's go with the 3 seconds. Now we need to open the page dot go to, and here we need to provide a URL. So go back here, copy the URL from here, and come back here and paste this one. Now once you have opened this into the browser, what we need to do? Now this is a time from where I can start the recording, right? So, but before that, again, page dot wait timeout. We paste it over here, and now start the screencast recording, and it only supported parameter is path. Okay, so page dot screencast, okay, dot start, and this should have a one parameter which is a path. Okay, so we say, for example, let me write it here so that you can see what is happening. Path is equals to, if I say, so you can define the path of your project. Let me do this on my root directory. So I will say screencast dot webm, and then again let's wait for 3 seconds so you can see what is happening over here. And now once you are on this particular login page, we have started the recording. Now show action highlights. So we just talk about the actions, right? So I say page dot screencast dot show actions, right? And inside this one, now we can define this particular things. We can define the duration, we can define the position, we can define the font size. So let's start with the position is equals to, let's go with the top right. So I will say top right, and then I'll say this should be come for 2 seconds. So give 2000 over here, and then font size equals to 22. Now it will show the actions on the right top over here. Okay. Now we have defined this action over here. Let's define the chapter over here. So simply again page dot screencast dot show chapter, and here again we have a different option, like you can see title, description, duration. So let's go with the title, and let me title this as OrangeHRM Screencast Demo. So this is the title of that chapter, and now we have to define the description and duration. So description, this description, and here description, this actually DESCRIPI, the description equals to, and here your comma. Now if you are confused with the spelling, so after comma you type descriptions, it will give you with the equal sign, and here the equal sign represents that we need to give a description of this particular chapter. So I'll say this is a demo chapter. And then what we need to do, we need to provide the third thing, which was a duration. Duration for how long you need to show this chapter box over here. So I will say let's go with the 5 seconds. Now, once you have this chapter over here, let's go with the automation flow. So let's say username equals to page dot locator, and here is basically our input fields. Input name is equals to username. Name is equals to username, and then at the end we need to close the bracket and then double quotation. So this is basically, I have written a locator for this one. I have gone through this OrangeHRM demo, I've said multiple times, so I know that it has a name, but let me show you as well. So name is equals to a username, and similarly if I go here, we're specifying this one. So for password, so we have a name equals to password. Now go back here, and this is a username, and then once we have a username dot click, then username dot fill, and the username is basically admin, and then password is equals to page dot locator. So let me copy this line from here and paste it over here, and instead of username just type password, because we know that it has a name. Freeland has a name which is password, right? So again, password dot, just click on this one, and then password dot fill, and especially admin 123, and then finally we need to click on the login or the submit button. So this is the button. Just go here. So it has a type submit, so I can use the type. So simply go back to the Python, and here I'll say button. So let me copy this, go from here and paste it over here. So instead of input, so I will say basically it's the button, and button type is equals to submit, and on this what we need to do, we need to click, and then we need to wait so that we can see the execution of this particular demonstration. So put this wait over here, and after this you can verify the dashboard and you can do a lot of stuff. So we'll go here and execute this one. Let me, because we have already used one chapter, we have already used show actions over here. We already understood how we can start, and here we have one more thing left, which is basically our page dot screencast dot stop. So basically after logging, so I will say here you need to stop page dot screencast dot stop. That's it. Now we are good to go. Just run this test, and the name of test is equals to test underscore screencast. So run this in a headed mode, and let me show you what exactly is the chapter, what exactly is the action. So I'll show you these things right now. So to open, it will change the size of the viewport, and it will open the browser, and on the right top you will see the actions. Okay, and then you can also see basically a chapter in the middle. So you see that it's a big screen open right now, and here it will navigating to this particular OrangeHRM website. Now just wait and watch. So this is a chapter on OrangeHRM screencast demo. So this is the title. Now you see that annotations click dot was there. On the right top it says click, fill, admin 123, click. You see on the right top, right? And here it just logged it. Now this is basically the file has been generated, and this is the file. So let's open this particular file. So open in Explorer and open this one. Now you see that on this particular page, this is basically a title, this is a description of this chapter. Okay, and these are the annotations. Clicking on this one, and on here on the right top you see this click. On the right top you see click, right? Let me continue this video. You see this fill admin 123 on the right top. So and you can see these actions highlights. So that's how basically you can use this screencast API for demonstration purposes, for very different purposes. For example, you want to record this for the debugging purposes as well in the CI/CD pipeline, or maybe during the day-to-day execution. So you can use this particular API, and you can have this video so you can understand what is exactly happening when the test got executed.